is mipmapping, so I'm going to show it with different filtering options. So this is nearest neighbor for the texture and for the mipmapping at the moment, so there's a lot of aliasing there. And then the next one is linear interpolation for the texture, but just taking the nearest mipmap, which actually looks pretty decent, but still has some problems. And then that's just taking the nearest texture, but interpolating the mipmaps, which doesn't maybe look as good. And this is linear for both of them, which solves a lot of the problems. There's still some problems there, but most of them are solved. So this is it without mipmapping at all, and you can see that that pattern is just really strange looking without any mipmapping, because you're not sampling it at the right resolution towards the back of the kind of chessboard here, when like back meaning this direction. And if you look at it from above, like, you won't really notice. It'll look fine because the amount of pixels that are being used for that texture is fine. But yeah, at an angle, it's gonna look off. And we can just turn back on mipmapping and do a small rotation of the board. So that is currently using the nearest texture, but linear mipmaps, and then I'll show with linear for both of them. There's a bit of grey kind of around the back, but overall a much nicer appearance. And then nearest for both of them is the one with the most problems. This one doesn't look too bad now because it's linear, linearly interpolating the texture, but because it's the nearest mipmap, it still has problems. So thanks for watching. I'll just show the nearest texture with linear mipmap again, and then linear for both again, and I'll leave it there. Thanks.